Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. If you are new to my channel, please ensure you consider subscribing. We're about to hit 1,000 subs, so please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button that is below and the notification bell beside that. If you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video is a DIY video. It's a DIY hand sanitizer video, because coronavirus is getting real. It's getting real. Shit is getting real.
Lord Sky on the beat.
Coronavirus. Shit is getting real. Coronavirus. In Nigeria, we've had about like 45 cases, and someone has actually died from it. Oof. And if you've been following me, or if you've been watching my channel, you know that like when coronavirus, the first case in Lagos that happened, your homegirl broke it. Like, I was the third person to make a video on it on YouTube, no jokes. The minute it broke, I made a video. I don't know why, I don't know what I was doing, but I made a video. And for those that don't know, who doesn't know, but coronavirus is because it's the COVID-19 disease. You have like different symptoms. I'll leave the symptoms on the screen, and sometimes you might not even have any symptoms at all, and you might actually have it. It's past, if you touch surfaces and you put your hand in your mouth, put your hand in your ear, put your hand in your nose, you do this, you do that, it gets into your respiratory tract and all that medical stuff. I'm studying engineering for a reason, not medicine, so please check the W.H.O website. Thank you. So the WHO has other people that we should wash our hands like crazy. Like, wash your hands till your skin is dry. Just joking, but wash your hands, sanitize your hands, use a good hand sanitizer. But do you know the worst thing? We humans are so selfish to ourselves. Everybody's making hand sanitizer now on Instagram. Everybody's selling hand sanitizer for 1,000 naira, 1,500, 2,000. People are cashing out on hand sanitizer. I went to the pharmacy today and I saw that they were selling a 50 ml hand sanitizer for 800 naira. 50 ml is so small. Like, everybody, the Instagram people, everybody that's making natural hair products is making hand sanitizer. No jokes. And it's just like, so, and not everybody can afford a hand sanitizer. Imagine a family that the parents are both banking on weekly wages or daily salaries, and they have like 2 or 3 children, and they say they shouldn't come to work, so no salary, hence no money for anything. And hand sanitizer, imagine they would now have like 3 babies, everybody hand sanitizer, that's like almost like 3-4K for hand sanitizer alone. Wow. So I said to like do my own research. I'm not a chemist, I am not an industrial chemist, I am not anything. I'm an engineering student. I only passed chemistry in Cambridge, I passed chemistry in WHEC, I passed chemistry in GC, I passed chemistry 101, I passed chemistry 102. But hold up, my sister is a health practitioner. What does that mean? I am a health practitioner by blood. Not really. It just means that I have done my research, I have watched videos from chemistry. I watched a lady, I'll leave her name on the screen. Chemistry, she's doing her PhD in chemistry, so you know that girl is a chemical girl. I've watched videos from doctors and everything. I've gone through pictures from the WHO website, and I'm like, hold your wigs, your homegirls got you. So if you're in Nigeria, I don't know about how it is in other countries, but in Nigeria you can still get supplies in the pharmacy. I went and I saw that I could get ethanol, alcohol. So this is the first ingredient. This was for 400 naira. It's from W.H.O Isopropyl alcohol. Then I also got hydrogen peroxide. This was 150 naira. That is 550, less than $2. And then I also got glycerin. This is their glycerin and borax from W.H.O, and this was for 250 naira. So all in all, I spent 800 naira. And then you would also need like a container to mix cotton wool to disinfect surfaces you're going to be mixing in, and a spray bottle. So this is my hair spray bottle, but I had disinfected. Fear not, I got you. So now let's pick some chemistry. When you're going to make this thing, first pick some chemistry. When you're going to make this thing, quality control is needed. You have to like be cautious. Wash your hands before you start making anything. Use the alcohol to disinfect your container, and always aim for the highest alcohol concentration. Now let's pick chemistry. Your ethanol has to be at least 60 to 95% of your mixture, not on the bottle, of your mixture, and also on the bottle. I can't really explain the chemistry, but let me explain the chemistry the way I know it. So if you're going to make a 100 ml bottle of mixture, your ethanol must be at least 60 ml of the bottle. Not that you come and say, add a few drops of ethanol, you are covered. The only thing going to be covering is going to be the blood of Jesus Christ. So make sure you add a lot of alcohol. So I will say, oh, use witch hazel. Witch hazel is 30% alcohol. the gold is 60%. So even if you use witch hazel as 100%, it won't even match up. So what I did was I used 100 ml of ethanol. I used 24 ml of distilled water. Yeah, you need distilled water. 24 ml. That's 124 ml. Let's take notes. That's 124 ml. Then I used 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide. That's 129 ml. And I used 3 ml of glycerin. That's a total of, let me see, 7.61, 136 ml. So 100 ml of alcohol over 136 times 100. Bruh. It passed 60. It passed 60. So you can get my formula. My formula is what this is the volume it gave me. It's not a lot. If you like have children, a lot of children, you can make more. You can use the whole bottle and double everything. So I also use a syringe to measure the hydrogen peroxide and the glycerin. So without further ado, you know what we do. Let us mix. Let's get mixing. Hey guys, you can see my alcohol bottle came graduated. It's a 200 ml bottle and they show demarcations of 25 ml each. So I'm going to pour some alcohol on my cotton wool. I'm going to use that to clean inside the plastic container I'm going to be mixing in, because I want my quality to be 100. I'm trying my best. I'm not wearing gloves, so my hands were properly sanitized before I started making this video. I'm also cleaning the cover because we are going to shake everything. So you're going to also shake the product on the cover. So what I'm doing next is I'm showing you guys that my stuff is graduated for 200 ml. So I'm going to pour 100 ml into the container, taking my time. So you don't need a measuring glass or measuring cup to measure this one if you buy this product. So it's almost at 100. Okay, now it's at 100 ml. Just covering it up because this stuff evaporates. So this is how it looks. Then I'm going to take my syringe and measure out 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide. My syringe is graduated for 5 ml. It's a 5 ml syringe. So I'm just trying to get as much of the product into the syringe. If you don't have a syringe, you can use a tablespoon and use like 2 tablespoons. I'm just cleaning the body of the syringe. You can use 2 or 3 tablespoons if you don't have a syringe. I just found a syringe in my house and I used it. So I'm pouring it also into the mix. The next thing I did was I took my Glycerin borax. It's also from the same brand as the alcohol. I poured it onto the cover because I didn't want to put the same syringe into my glycerin. That might contaminate my glycerin. So I decided to just work with the cover. So I took 3 ml of glycerin. You can add you can make it 4 or 5 ml. I used 3 ml because I wasn't really sure of whether my calculation would be less than 60. So I decided to just play it safe. You can also make it 4 or 5, and the calculation will still be more than the 60% mark. So I also poured 24 ml of my distilled water into the mix, and it's shaking time. So I went ahead to shake and shake and shake and shake, shake and shake and shake. Ensure you cover up everything, because I don't know if hydrogen peroxide evaporates, but I'm very sure the alcohol evaporates like in like seconds. So shake everything well, shake it well. This is not like your jelly sanitizer. This is more like a spritz one, but it gets the job done. So I went ahead to disinfect my spray bottle. I poured alcohol inside the spray bottle and I went ahead to spray out the alcohol from the nozzle so that the nozzle and the straw and everything is disinfected with the alcohol. That I did. I shook everything. I did everything just off camera. After which I washed my hands, and now I'm going to transfer the product into the spray bottle. Be very careful when you're transferring it so that you don't pour anything. You can use a funnel if you have. I didn't have a funnel. I decided to just whisk it all. and I saw that my spray bottle wasn't looking the cutest, so I decided to spice things up by adding stickers all over, making it all glitz and glam. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be giving my mommy this to use in her store. I would also make another batch I'm going to be using in my room. I also have my own hand sanitizer that I got in PR, but I said just make mine so I can share my recipe with you guys. So this is how I was really excited when I saw that. I was I was really excited. Like, it evaporated in seconds. My hand felt clean. Like, you can even see my hands drying. I was so excited. So this is my recipe, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you learned a thing or two. Please, 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 if you know anyone that came back from the country, outside the country, that did not quarantine himself or herself, please cast them. This is not the time for us to be doing this. Thing is hold yourself and hold your on your own. Cast their ass, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please subscribe. I want to journey to 1,000 subs. Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Ukachi. Please stay safe, wash your hands, eat healthy, take vitamin C, don't spread false news, don't spread fake news, take care of yourself, stay in your house if you don't have to go out. I am the going out kind, but I only went out once today to the pharmacy and they made me wash my hands. So what did I tell you? I can control myself, so can you. Cook, eat healthy, stack up on stuff and if you need to. Take care of yourself, stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.